Hey guys, today I will show you the quick and complete guide on how to close Axis Bank account online in 2025. Let's get started. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. To begin closing your Axis Bank account, first make sure there are no pending transactions or outstanding balances. Log in to Axis Bank Internet Banking or the mobile app, and transfer all funds to another account to maintain a zero balance. If there's a negative balance, deposit enough to clear it. Next, check your account statements and cancel any recurring payments, direct debits, or standing instructions. This includes utility bills, subscriptions, and EMI payments. Make sure to redirect them to your new account to avoid service interruptions. Now visit the official Axis Bank website and download the account closure form, usually available in PDF format. Print it out and fill in all required details, including your account number, personal information, and reason for closure. If it's a joint account, ensure all account holders sign it. Gather the necessary documents, the filled form, a valid government-issued ID, address proof, your debit card cut into pieces, any unused check leaves, and your passbook, if you have one. Then go to your nearest Axis Bank branch, ideally your home branch, and submit everything to a bank representative. This step must be done in person. Once submitted, you'll receive an acknowledgement receipt. Keep it safe. Axis Bank will process your request, which usually takes a few days. Once confirmed via SMS or email, destroy your Axis debit card and checkbook securely to prevent misuse.